अब यहाँ पे PMSBY पे नॉट कंप्लीट पे क्लिक करें। अब यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज पे क्लिक करें और यहाँ पे वीडियो को क्लिक कर दें।
प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा PMSBY is 1-year accidental insurance scheme offering accidental death and disability cover, death or disability on account of an accident. Airtel Payments Bank retailers can now enroll Airtel Payments Bank savings account holders in this policy. Let's learn more about this process. Log in to Mitra app by entering LAPU number and password. Tap Airtel Payments Bank tab and log in with LAPU number and password and tap on Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana option in the main menu. Scroll down on the policy page. Ask the customer's mobile number and enter it here and tap on the declaration. Tap on proceed to continue. The customer will receive a verification code on his registered mobile number. Ask the customer verification code and enter it here. In case the customer has not received verification code message, tap on resend code and tap on proceed. The customer details will auto-populate on the screen. Manually enter nominee details here. If the nominee is minor, then enter guardian's details as well.
Will receive a verification code for verifying the total premium payable. To click on proceed to continue 3.
Now read the proposal summary, nominee details, terms and conditions and declaration. Select the checkbox here. Tap on proceed. Now you will receive a confirmation for this transaction on the screen. If the customer doesn't have savings account with Airtel Payments Bank, then he is not eligible to purchase this policy.
Customer should have at least 19 rupees in his account to purchase this policy.
Customer is already having PMSBY policy and it fails to dedupe check. A thank you message pops up on the screen cancelling the request. If the customer is not eligible for the product, a thank you message pops up cancelling the request. To remember, PMSBY is an accidental insurance policy which covers only accidental death and disability for death or disability on account of an accident. Age limit for this policy is 18 to 70 years.
For policy price is 19 rupees per member per year.
Amount as violators will be punished.
The amount will only be debited from the customer's savings bank account.
Cover under this policy is of rupees 2 lakhs if the policyholder passes away due to any reason.
Cover period for due or date of premium debit from customer's SBA, whichever is later.
This is available for Airtel Payments Bank savings account customers only. Only one policy will be issued per customer. For more information, dial 12144 or contact sales team. Now it's the time to complete the certification based on the training. It is necessary to get 80% marks to complete the certification. Click here to start the certification.
चलिए फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे सर्टिफिकेशन पे क्लिक करते हैं। अब यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज पे सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं। अब यहाँ पे 10 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे पूछे जाएंगे आप लोगों को, ठीक है। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, 1 बाय 1 इसको सबमिट करेंगे। तो अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को व्हाट इज़ द सम इंश्योर्ड, यहाँ पे 2 लाख कर लेना है। एज क्राइटेरिया में 18 to 70। अमाउंट की बात करेंगे तो 19 रुपीज़। व्हाट इज़ द फॉलोइंग बेनिफिट नॉट कवर, तो यहाँ फ्रैक्चर। 5th में हो जाएगा एयरटेल पेमेंट बैंक सेविंग अकाउंट होल्डर। Does medical examination required for customer to enroll? No. What is the waiting period of claim benefit amount after availing the policy? No waiting period. When will the coverage get started after buying the policy? On the same day itself. फिर यहाँ पे आप लोग को 9th में कस्टमर सेविंग अकाउंट से ही प्रीमियम पेमेंट कटेगा, जिसका ध्यान रखना है। फिर यहाँ पे इज द कस्टमर अलाउड टू इनरोल मोर देन वंस इन द पॉलिसी, तो नो। यहाँ पे सबमिट पे क्लिक कर दीजिए। कुछ इस तरीके से फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे कांग्रेचुलेसन, यू हैव सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड PMSBY training. You can now access the PMSBY. The score is 100. तो यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स आई होप कि ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा। इस तरह की और भी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ के लिए कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।